That's as far as I can go. Please. Well, good morning. I'm not looking my best this morning because I've had a few things to do. I had a real late night last night and I was up early this morning, and you know, it doesn't always go perfect for all of us, but we're here today to in Cardiff. Got to pick up some more slabs for the front of the house. I never showed it yesterday, so just got to add a few more slabs to the front of the house. I'm doing a video! No, hey, great guys here. Just got to need a few more slabs for the front of the house. We've had to come to Cardiff, though we're in Bristol. Got to match the slabs in, and then once we've done that bit, we were going through that process yesterday with a client, and I mean, we really had to sort of like not sell the idea, but reassure her about what we were doing. And it's strange, you know, when you're working for people that are friends of yours as well, they should know that you're going to look after their interests. I look after everybody's interests and make sure it's right. So I feel a bit tired today, so we're going to get over there, and I've just got to be patient. I've got to be patient with everything, with road users and the rain, and you know, we all have a lot of things going on in our own lives as well, but we've just got to remain patient and just hold it together. So let's go and get these slabs now. Well, Andrew and myself now are in the back of the van. We're waiting to be loaded, and I wonder what somebody's going to say about how many saws I have.
They're nice saws here.
Yeah. Why do you think people would comment on that, and saying,
I don't know, it's probably because they buy one a year. We buy one every day.
Yeah, would you like spending money on saws? Yeah. Somebody asked the other week why I had so many saws, like, you know.
Thing is,
they noticed it.
If you've got 10 people working for you, they all got a saw, haven't they?
Do you know, that's actually a good point, yeah. Everybody's got a saw. Yeah. No, joking and jesting apart, right? If you see anything, have a look in the van now. We'll have a little look through, because I like to show the van to those people. This is the inside of the van. Oh, sugar. And we've got everything loaded up there. If there's anything you like to see, yeah, there's a router there, not on the box. We'll hide the fairy liquid. And we've got the bell mixer on. We've got a couple of saws over there, and so if you're thinking about robbing the van, you know, this is what I've got available for you, like, you know. But you won't get in because I've got 4 little dogs that are absolute pain in the ass, and I've got a middle daughter, middle child syndrome. No, seriously. And how many times have we've been here, and you know, it's looking grey and dark and miserable, like, but we never let it put us off, do we? Well, not me anyway. So I might get a text off Andrew tomorrow and saying I'm not well, or something like that. Well, good morning. Here we are. We're in Cardiff, and another dreadful day for a landscaper. But unfortunately, or fortunately, however you see it, we've got to continue. Life goes on. So I'm going to be replacing an old vegetable area with raised beds, and I want to replace it with a quality product. So that's why I've brought you here today in Jewson's in Cardiff. Let's go and have a look at the timeless sleeper. Well, here we are. Not these, but certainly this one. This is the timeless sleeper, and if you look at it, you can see how the grain is showing on there. And what they've actually done there, they've actually take it through this process of shot blasting it, and shot blasting it to give it this aged look. And they're still treated, and I think they look absolutely fantastic. They're a 10 by 5, nice and thick and nice and heavy, and they're going to last some time. If we just look down here, you can actually see they're from BSW here. There we go, BSW. Timeless sleeper. They look really nice. Look at that. This is a video, Rich. I'm with Richard Roberts, same name as you. I'm a Roberts, Rich.
Yeah.
You know, we could be related, couldn't we?
Well, you could well be my older brother, John. I got to be honest. I wouldn't say you're obviously far from my younger brother, but you could well be my older brother.
Oh, great. Yeah, you come down here, customer service. Rich, I've come down this morning because I've come in for some timeless sleepers.
Okay, yeah.
From BSW.
Yeah, 10 by 5.
10 by 5. So I want to purchase some timeless sleepers off you because you've been highly recommended. Can you tell me a little bit about the timeless sleepers?
Timeless sleepers, then 10 by 5, 2.6 meters long. They got
2.6.
2.6 meters long. They got that wood burn effect to them. We sell a hell of a lot of them. They are far more popular than the basic 8 by 4 ones.
Yeah, not everybody's got them in stock, have they? Like, as well.
Well, we always carry a good range here, you know, John.
If you need good customer service, go straight to the top. This is the main man here in Cardiff, so let's go and have these sleepers. Well, young Andrew's eating his sandwich. We're going to pick up the timeless sleeper then, but they're a real substantial sleeper. I mean they really are. You know, they're gonna last some time. So we just haven't got enough room in the van. We've got to bring the trailer down to pick them up. But looking at it as a sleeper, as a structural piece of timber, a lot of value with it. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to show you my drive. I've shown it a few times, and just what's going on at the moment. I've got my logs there ready to go to my log store, and over here we have some 3x2 left from a job, and I could put it down the side, and I'm in the wet now filming this for you guys. This is our next Aero board we've got for our next decking installation. I've got the old apple tree there going all the way over. I just got to pick the apples on there, and these are the pallets that sometimes the suppliers fail to pick up. We should drop them back, and we've got a few blocks here, so I have to tidy this up. It's looking a real mess at the moment. It's not what I'd like. It's so important to keep things organised and you know, tidy, because it just saves a lot of time. We've just picked up 2 bags of cement. This is Quinn cement from Kellaway's over in Fish Pond, and £7 a bag. That's what that was. £7 a bag, and they need to make money. I understand that, but you know, just phoned up Travis Perkins, one of the most expensive ones going as a builder's merchant, and I just said, look, you know, just give me a member of the public price. It was a £5 a bag, £5. That's like 45% increase. Like, you know, just absolutely ridiculous. Like, they're not going to attract any more trade on there. So I don't know. Here we are now. We've had our bricks delivered, and great, absolutely fantastic. You know, this is the Bowl and Stone. I think it's called the Autumn Rumble. Yeah, Autumn Rumble. So we've got them here, and we've got some packs over that side. There's nearly 5 packs, so we're all good to go. So it was good service off them, and we've got this drive to lay, but we won't be getting it done today, but because we've got a little bit more slabbing to do over there. Well, before we start, let's have a cup of tea. So important to have a cup of tea before you get to a job where the tea's not great. Well, here we are. We're sat in the office again, and it's Saturday morning. We never normally work a Saturday now, not if we can help it, and we wanted to sort of make a little bit of progress, but it doesn't look like as if we're going to make any progress at the moment, simply because it's absolutely hammering down out there this morning. So, but we're here. Do we need to be here?